I'm Grant Nalder, I'm the Wellington Regional Harbour Master. Behind me is the new Hinds Point Navigation mark. This is a light that's used to help shipping get on their outward tracks when they go out of the harbour. So this is a back marker, so how that works, this is the new light we've put in, and there's another light on the harbour called the front leading light. When these two are lined up, the ship knows they're on track. The light on here is 5 degrees wide, so it's quite narrow, and it shines over the front leading light in the harbour. So it's only visible from that narrow angle. While most modern ships do have extensive electronic aids, there's nothing that beats looking out the window to get some confirmation of where your vessel actually is.